back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video, once again I'm talking about the bonfire token, because once again the bonfire explosion will start now, and absolutely I'm very happy to see the explosion. I'm very happy to see the jump of the bonfire token, that the bonfire once again start jumping. So I'm very happy. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video for more this kind of news and updates. Please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel. Let's move on and let's start the video, friends. So friends, the current price of the bonfire token in the market as 0.00005 USD dollar is the current price of the bonfire token. On the other side, if we look the price of the bonfire token, so 38.60% price since occur in the bonfire token. Absolutely, once again the bonfire prices again start jumping, and I'm very happy to see the jump of the bonfire token, friends. Let's see, my friends, the price changes occur in the bonfire token. What's going in this time in the bonfire token? Let's see the price statistic. If the price change is positive, so absolutely the fully diluted market cap is also positive. As we can see here, 38.61% the fully diluted market cap is positive. So I'm very happy today, because my bonfire started jumping, friends, and the trading volume, wow. In this time, the unique cryptocurrencies of the market is the bonfire, which price change as positive 38.57%, friends, in the 24-hour, and the trading volume is 37.56% also increase. Let's see the price chart of the bonfire token. Absolutely the prices start moving upward, and I hope that they continue and they are ready for the moon. Congratulations all bonfire token holders. Once again the bonfire ready to take a jump and ready to go for the moon. Are you ready for the moon? Tell me in the comment box. Anyways, friends, click the subscribe button, like this video. I will update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies news. But friends, remember, don't do this mistake and don't decide to sell bonfire token at this time, friends, because at this time the bonfire token is ready for the moon. So please don't sell it and make a profit with the bonfire token. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel.